everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe, and I'm going to make creamy Matar Paneer. These are sweet peas and 14-ounce paneer. These peas are frozen. As for the paneer, I cut into nice sized pieces like this. To make it rich and creamy Matar Paneer, 2 cups half and half milk. Other ingredients will be 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, green chili, garlic, ginger, 1 teaspoon each finely chopped. Coriander powder, salt, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon each, black pepper, garam masala, red chili flake, half teaspoon each, and olive oil for our tadka. And let's start making our delicious creamy Matar Paneer. Start gas. Get a pot. 1 tablespoon olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. As the oil start to heat up, bring cumin seed, jeera. Give like a 10 seconds. This is good enough. At the same time, add ginger, garlic and green chili. Mix it. And we're going to cook until the garlicky flavor is gone. Cooking for half a minute, add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking. And we're going to make sure that it's nicely translucent. Onions are nicely translucent. Add tomatoes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Bring your gas to medium. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes so that the tomatoes will get tender. On medium gas with the covered lid, cooking for 3 minutes. I'll open it. Mix it. You can see the tomatoes are tender, so we can keep mixing and keep mashing. Now we're going to bring all the spices, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, black pepper, garam masala, chili flakes, and mix it well. And cook spices along with tadka. Cooking spices along with tadka for 1 minute. I'll add turmeric powder, haldi, and this is strictly optional. We're going to cook haldi along with tadka for half minute. Another half minute of cooking. Bring peas. Mix it well. Once the tadka is nicely combined with the sweet peas, I'll add paneer. Mix it well. Once the paneer is nicely combined with peas and tadka, spread it evenly. Add half and half milk. And keep your gas on medium. Cover with the lid. And we're going to cook it for 10 minutes on medium gas. Cooking for 10 minutes. I'll open the lid. I opened it once and I stirred it. This is looking very delicious. So as you see, it's a nicely creamy Matar Paneer. Now bring the gas to simmer. Add 1 teaspoon kasuri methi. Kasuri methi will bring its own aroma to this dish. And mix it. So once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid. We're going to simmer it for 2 minutes. Only reason we're doing it, so it can soak up the kasuri methi flavor. Another 2 minutes on simmer. Now we're going to open it. And our dish is all ready. Turn off the gas. Creamy Matar Paneer is all ready. And look at this. So tasty and delicious. Let me share with you. vegetarian dish, creamy Matar Paneer is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. And you serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, parantha, and with rice flour and even tortilla. You will like it. So please try and share your comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.